if you know your basics, what I tell, I'm a chef, so I tell my chef that if you know the in and out basic recipe, then you can modify it to a different market. So your foundation, whatever everybody's talking, is definitely very, very important. You know each and everything inside out of your thing, then only you can modify it to for someone else. And definitely when we go out, we have to be very, very focused and very, very specific what we have to do, and we have to see what is required in the market. Most of the time when you go to a US market, mainly US market, people, even in UK, outside London, people are not very familiar with the clarity of Indian food. What do you mean by Indian food? Some naan, kebab, and chicken tikka masala, all these type of, or lamb vindaloo, or chicken madras, or Bombay aloo. These type of things are there which people know about Indian food. And I was surprised 3 weeks back in San Francisco, the best restaurant at the moment in San Francisco is called Dosa, which is serving dosa, which was quite completely unheard of in major parts of the world, because nobody know about dosa, what is dosa is. So definitely we have to modify our thing, our brand, and definitely create a little bit of awareness. So awareness you can only create when you can popularize your product in such a way that anybody outside can relate to it. If you are doing a kathi kebab, you can very well do it in a Chipotle style, because that is, people are known of burritos and all. So you can do it in such a way that people can relate to that what is kathi kebab. The thing with Indian cuisine is, from olden days, I have worked with old chefs, ustad kind of chefs, hiding recipes, secret spice blend, secret masalas, and he's 20-year experience, he's making that particular dish. So these things are very much there. We are still not open about our documentation, what you said about the recipe, standardization, and breaking the recipe into such a small segment that anybody can do it. And until and unless you can do that, it is very difficult to roll out in outside market, because it's very difficult to send people from here, especially to US or UK. UK is becoming really difficult. If you can make a Mexican make a dosa or a korma nicely with a good quality, then you can roll out hundreds of chain restaurants, QSR, in anywhere in the world. So that is very, very much important, and which is not there. So we have to be slightly less rigid in our secrets and all these things. Share, document, and break it into such a process that you can hire someone, train him for 1 month, and he's making the best Indian food.